How do you build a map in Tableau using latitude and longitude? In this example, I don't have a geographic region like state. I only have locations and their latitude and longitudes. Let's add a new sheet and see how to build this in Tableau. Let's start by double-clicking latitude and longitude. It's going to give me a map. They default to average because they're measures in this example. All I need to do to fill in this map is bring in my location field onto detail. Now I have one dot for each location. If these are addresses in your case, you would have one dot for each address. You can change these to dimensions and it won't affect anything. And that's a map using latitude and longitude. Hope this helps.